A short demo video to introduce Resin, an accessible digital musical instrument controlled using vocal tract harmonics and head movement. The instrument, a MIDI controller, can be played without using hands or fingers, and is thought to allow quadriplegic users to play music. It is built using cheap parts and can be easily assembled. An ad hoc head tracker is built using Arduino Uno microcontroller and a gyroscope, mounted on a pair of headphones. A component called sound tube consists of an insulated speaker, which conveys a sound into a rubber tube. At its tip, a lavalier microphone is placed. The head tracker is used to control note dynamics. The head is moved in a similar fashion to the bow on a violin. The end of the sound tube is then placed in the mouth. Resin generates a set of sine waves or harmonics, corresponding to the various notes of a playable scale. By varying the shape of their mouth, the performer can amplify a particular harmonic, which is picked up by the microphone and pitch detected by Resin software. The mouth is moved in a similar way to the act of whistling. A software interface provides info during playing. Let's see a short demonstration of how the instrument is played.